Ever feel like you don't have the time to lose weight or you're too busy with other things to make the time to eat properly? In this video, I'm going to break down 3 key steps to meal prep for men's weight loss. And trust me, I've been there myself, so I know exactly how it feels, but I managed to overcome it by implementing the steps that I'm going to give you now. So the first thing is to make sure that you eat simple meals, okay? We don't need any fancy ingredients, any fancy hour-long meal preparations. Just keep it simple. Keep it to the basics like vegetables, fruits, eggs and meat and some dairy. And if you keep to the basics and just mix and match those in different combinations, you'll have an almost unlimited number of meals that are very easy to prepare. Step number 2 is to buy in bulk and batch cook. This seems like an obvious one, but I see time and time again where people just cook for the meal that they want to eat rather than cooking as many meals as they possibly can in one sitting. You're going to save a whole load of time because then you can keep the leftovers. You're going to save a whole load of energy and money because you're not, keeping the oven running, keeping the stove running for multiple meals. You're just doing it one time. And step 3, like I say, is just to keep the leftovers. Keep whatever you make that's left over and then put it in the fridge for later, and you can have that in your next meal, tomorrow, next week, whatever. I do that all the time and it saves me a ton of time, it saves me a ton of money, and it makes sure that I keep on the straight and narrow when it comes to losing weight. If you're having any trouble at all implementing the steps that I've outlined there, click the link in the description down below. You'll get access to my 3 Secrets to Men's Fat Loss ebook, and you'll also be invited to my exclusive community of other men who are getting faster, better, and more consistent fat loss results. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you again soon.